Hey, welcome back to part 3. Don't know why I care on me, but there is transform. So you can kind of see the robot kibble bits underneath there. It does have actual wheels, except this one's kind of tight on this wheel and the back wheels. So it doesn't really roll that good. Don't know why it's tight. I think there might be some extra plastic in there, but yeah. Size comparison. Let's compare it to some of these. What else do I have? Let's move this one over just a tad. So, yeah. This is how it compares to their little fitters, the Legends or Warrior Class ones. Cyber Battalion Sideswipe. Titans Return Chrome Dome. Power the Primes Dreadwing. And stuff. Titans Return. I can't remember this one. Trigger Happy, I think his name was, or something. And if we compare it to like their size ones, like their tank, which is like Metatron or Modder slash, Hardhead, I guess, something like that. In vehicle mode, I'm not really sure what the size is, because like I said, this one, his legs do come down, so this one might be a little bit taller than like 4.5 inches, so roughly 5, maybe 5.5 inches, which I believe this one and this one so far is